text input type is input type that we use to create text input field. Text input field is basically a field where you can enter alphanumerical values. Okay, now we can start with creating our input elements. So let's define first input element. Let's define type HTML attribute. This type gonna be text. Okay, let's define name HTML attribute. Let's set label for this input. This is gonna be name input field. So let's set the value for name field. Okay, let's save our changes for now. Go on File, Save As. Let's save it on a desktop because it's going to be easier for us to find it. And let's save it like index.html. And here it is. This is our newly created index page. So let's open it. And this is our first input text field. So basically you can enter alphanumeric values here. Very simple, right?
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.